Welcome back, traders. Today, in terms of Bank Nifty intraday, one special topic we will discuss here is about overlapping auction. We'll repeat the word overlapping auction. This overlapping auction always not good for an option buyer, and it is very good for an option seller. Now, how to understand overlapping option and how to escape if you are an option buyer, and how to get benefited if you are an option seller. Now, very important to understand. Always first 15 minutes, let's take this trading sessions example. First 15 minutes of auction, there will be some volatility in the market. Volumes might come in because of traders who have taken their position one day before. If they are squaring off morning once the market open, first for 10-15 minutes volume will be high. Let's forget about first 15 minutes. After that, I'm just simply added an VWAP here. Okay, simply added a VWAP here. This red color line which you can see is the VWAP line. Now, as we have removed the first 15 minutes of auction, after that, so that is probably after 9:30. If you closely look at, almost every candle is either rotating up, down. You see price trying to move up, next 10-15 minutes moving down, again trying to move up, again trying to move down, up, down, just rotating in a tight range, above, below, around VWAP. Price can move above, below, around VWAP, but what if the volumes also drop? Try to understand always low volume. I repeat the word low volume can't give you a trending up or a trending down move. For a trending up move or to get a trending down move, we required volumes. Okay. So when this scenario is getting taken place, price is trying to move up, down around VWAP. As we have removed the first 15 minutes of auction, we are not focusing after that. Look at the volumes are dropping. This first stage of drop, flat volume, drop, drop. Before this sudden spike of one red color candle. Always remember there are circumstances that is will play different scenarios, but focus in this example. What is happening? Stage 1 of drop, stage 2 flat, stage 3 drop, stage 4 flat. How I am cycling out the stages? Let's say every 25-30 minutes. Every 20 to 30 minutes you can take it out. 20 to 30 minutes you can cycle it out. Only when I look closely, 20 to 30 minutes of volume cycle, only when price is overlapping like this. Price is rotating up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down kind of scenario. But maximum time price is coming back to VWAP, price is rotating around VWAP. At that time I look at stage of volume drop. Volume drop 1, 20-25 minutes, flat for 30 minutes, next 30 minutes volume drop, next 30 minutes further drop. Can you see what's happening? Low, 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 and lowest volume for the trading session was here. In the fourth stage, low, low, lowest volume was on the fourth stage. Now, for how much time market will be overlapping? There has to be stop loss hunting, right? Minimum stop loss hunting, because in this sideways auction, or like if you want to precisely tell, in this sideways auction, both buyers and sellers are participating. As the volumes are low, from my experience, low volume means more retail traders are trying to participate. As the more retail traders are in the system, what should be the result? Stop loss hunting. Stop loss hunting means one of this player, either buyers or sellers, will easily get their stop losses hunted, stop losses triggered. Effect of this is this one candle move. You see spike in the volume. This spike is not a new business volume. this spike volume, maximum volume, is the stop loss hunting. That means old business. Old business means the old buyers and sellers who are participating in this auction, they are getting their stop losses hunted. We closely look at one stop loss got 100, markets from the next tick slowly reverse back and triggering new day high. This is the morning high. This was the morning high. Price breaking the day low, and one common retail traders have an activity always follow by placing a stop loss below day low, placing a stop loss above day high. This is very common activity. If you could see spike in the volume, price came down. Spike in the volume only came in the candle when the day low has broken, when the stop losses got triggered. And this is day high, right? The line which I have marked is day high. The spike in the volume came only when day high has taken out. Why? Stop losses is getting hunted. So now, how to get rid of this kind of stop loss hunting? How to get rid of this kind of overlapping low volume option? For option seller, this is their best case scenario to make money. But in terms of option buyer, sir, always understand when this kind of overlapping auction is getting developed with low volume in different stages, make sure, I personally what I do is just stay away. I will just minimum wait for this one round of stop loss hunting to be happen only when price is more time overlapping, rotating up down in and around the VWAP. I'm speaking on a 5 minute time frame. I have taken an example of Bank Nifty. Okay, so the effect of this overlapping is price went down to earn stop loss. Price went up to earn stop loss. After that, what happened? Price is trying to again, every candle is overlapping with the previous candle. One shot up move, again price coming back to overlapping here, trying to move up, reversing back. Again price is overlapping around the up. Again trying to move up, no follow through. Not even breaking this morning day high which is being tagged somewhere around 12:30. Price trying to move up, again coming down, again rotating around here. So this is a kind of a day for an option buyer. You have to make sure that avoiding random trade is the best option for this trading session. Even in my Telegram, free Telegram channel, I have updated this morning somewhere around 9:30 or 10 that the market is not good. It is low volume, overlapping, wait and wait. The link to join the Telegram channel is available in the description. You can go ahead and join where I provide live market updates and live trades and many more things more into live. Okay. You need to understand this is overlapping which you traders have to, as if you are an option buyer, you have to develop patience to wait. No point in, I'm telling you, no point in taking any kind of random trade in this overlapping option. You maximum you will not gain anything. Only for scalpers. If you want 5 points, 10 points, 15 points in option, then I will not tell anything on it. Okay. If you want a decent money to be made in terms of trading intraday Bank Nifty option, if you're an option buyer, I'm speaking, this is not, this is just a stay away kind of market. This is kind of a stay away kind of option which is getting developed. No point in overthinking and losing money. This is what nowadays traders do. Nowadays, retail traders who are into option buying, they just overthink in this market, in this overlapping around VWAP. They just, what they do is look at candle color. Sir, green color candle price is making up, I will buy. And here, sir, next red color candle came, I will sell. Sir, again big red color candle is coming, I will sell the Bank Nifty or I will buy put option. This is what retail traders everywhere loss, and they start blaming market. It's your mistake. Why do you want to do random trading when market itself is not confidence? Market itself doesn't have any sign of direction. For an option buyer, it is required direction. When there is lack of direction, on every stage volumes are dropping, why you are using your brain overthinking and losing money? It's better not to overthink, just sit, relax. Let Minimum what I do is let the one round of stop loss hunt get developed. Now, then we can plan our trade as per a trade setup. Till then, just relax. Okay, this is what is priority in terms of overlapping option, because overlapping option always tempt, especially option buyer to take trade. And always remember, option buyer has one enemy, that is theta decay. Option premium erosion, always it's your enemy. Always remember, option buyer theta decay is our enemy. And in this kind of overlapping option, theta decay will be in next level. The premium will melt like anything. Don't get trapped. Understand, learn things. This is part 3 of the price action. Already part 2 parts has been uploaded. Go and watch. There are 16 to 17 more learning videos other than price action. Make sure to watch all the videos. Now you can learn from it. Simple.